Hello, I'm E. on of Mobilant. They announced an automatic shift hub for the electric bicycle with a central drive motor. Introduced the GHA-3 with a 3-speed automatic gearbox. It boasts a very light weight of 1.7 kilograms. The main concept of this hub gear is designed for use with central drive motors. Low speed is used on the first start and hill. The large, 2-stage ratchet on the lower side operates at medium speed. The hub begins to operate at high speed as the small internal ratchet spreads out. If the speed decreases, the automatic shift will resume to the first stage. The bicycle no longer requires a gearbox on the handlebar. No rear derailleur required. Complex transmission settings are not required because there are no cables. The old-fashioned hub on the right is always press the lever to shift. The automatic speed control detects the speed of the bicycle during cycling. Adjust the auto shift ratio in the gearbox of the hub without manually shifting to the rider. Provides improved pedaling cadence. It is very lightweight and can be maintained cleanly. No additional maintenance is required. Belt drive systems are also available. Automatic shift return is possible without additional electronic equipment or transmission. The rider only needs to focus on pedaling without shifting when the hill appears. If you turn the pedal quickly, the gear will automatically change to high-speed mode. It must be a hub that makes the city's cycle pleasant. It's also an ideal choice for electric bicycle models like the stylish City Cruiser. If the speed goes up, it automatically shifts to the third stage after moving automatically to 3 stages. If you encounter a hill or if the speed decreases, you will automatically shift to the first stage. It shifts itself like a car. It must be very comfortable. Subscribe and click like for a great help in making videos. Thanks for watching.